In this video, I'm going to show you how to do hanging indent in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. To get started, select the paragraph in which you want to apply a hanging indent. I'm going to apply it to this first paragraph. Then, select the downward arrow next to paragraph at the top of your ribbon. It's called Paragraph Settings. Select it once. Then, we're going to go down to Special. This is under Indentation. Select it once, then click Hanging, and then you can see down in the preview box we have a clear hanging indent. Then click OK. If you want a faster way to apply a hanging indent, select your paragraph, then press Ctrl and T. If you want to remove that hanging indent, press Ctrl Shift T. If this video helped you, click like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to format your text, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.